It's hard to believe that it's already been 6 months since we brought this herd home. At the time, we knew we were saying yes to responsibility, care, and a lot of unknowns. But we had just no idea how much would change in a short amount of time. Those first few weeks were all about adjustment. New routines, new spaces, That's some good food. Vet visits, farrier appointments, and learning each horse's personality. There were moments of total uncertainty, moments of complete sheer worry, and more than a few surprises along the way. But slowly something shifted. Over the past 6 months, we've watched this herd settle in. We've celebrated small wins that felt huge, calmer vet visits, progress with hoof care, growing trust and confidence we didn't see at the beginning. Each horse has found their rhythm, their friendships, and their place here. Of course, there's been plenty of humor too. If you've been following along, you already know Redsox likes to keep us on our toes.
She is our spunky, playful 15-year-old who is always giving me a hard time about getting her fly mask on and her halter. But she's a good girl. She's a sweetheart. Yeah, he's a sweetheart. Yes, you are. He's a sweet girl. She's saying no paparazzi, no cameras. how beautiful these girls are. Then we got Honeybee over here, eating her hay. Hi. Hi. Come on. You're in the wrong place.
Those moments
Oh my
remind
gosh.
us not to take things
Let's
too
go.
seriously and enjoy the
Let's go back this
ride.
way.
Piper likes to do that kind of stuff too.
With my back turned to it, busy pulling weeds and gardening. And Miss Thing got curious. Meanwhile, the nice clean trough that I was filling with water, Piper just jumped into it like it was a pool, while Redsox was walking around here, which would have been fine, but we don't have the front gate closed. And she's never really wandered around here before. You silly girl. You silly girl. Piper! Oh my gosh.
What surprised me most is how much these horses have changed us. Life has slowed down in the best way. Our days are shaped by care, consistency, and being present. Showing up for them one day at a time. As we head into the next season, we're filled with gratitude for the progress we've seen, for the trust that's been built, and for the chance to give these senior horses a safe, peaceful place to live out their days. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. The last 6 months have been something truly special, and this is only the beginning.
You are just such a lover. You're such a lover. Yeah. Where'd you get that big boo-boo from, huh? Where'd you get that big boo-boo? Huh? Where'd you get that big boo-boo? Hi. To grab the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. I'm trying to get that correct. Okay, BG, I'm sorry, girl. I gotta take this away. I'll dump that on the floor. Sweet girl. Jenny, what do you have? Oh my goodness, a log from the fire. She's like, to me, it's just a big stick. Oh, and Piper too. I didn't even realize you had one. Giving the girls some of their sweet tea. Make sure they are fully hydrated for a night of cold weather. What a beautiful sky. Look at her calling the other horse.